The first step to maintaining your router bits is to make sure that they're nice and clean. To do this, if your router bit has a top bearing, you want to go ahead and remove that before you do your cleaning. Simply use an Allen key to remove that screw. Once you have the screw removed, you want to go ahead and remove the bearing and the dust shield. That's a funny little washer on the top of the router bit. Go ahead and remove those and set them aside in a safe place. Once you have the bearing and the dust shield removed, you can go ahead and use your favorite router bit cleaner. Here we like to use Boschild's bit and blade cleaner. You simply want to give the router bit a couple of sprays with your cleaner, and if there's some stubborn debris or buildup on the router bit, a good brass bristle brush is the perfect solution. The brass bristles won't damage the carbide cutting edge of the router bit, and you can make sure you get all of that dirt and debris cleaned off of the bit. You can use a shop towel and simply wipe away your bit and blade cleaner. You're ready to sharpen. What we use here in our shop all the time are DMT's credit card size diamond stones. These stones come in 3 grits, a coarse, a fine, and an extra fine. To sharpen a router bit, you want to take the bit and the stone and simply set the flat side of the router bit against that stone and then sharpen away. Check your progress often, and once you have sharpened or removed any damage from the cutting edge, you're done. Try to count your strokes on the stone so that you can repeat the same number of strokes on the other side of the router bit. It's that easy to keep your router bits performing to their fullest potential.